duty to preserve the Filipino art.
Tangin na, pakita mo yan, nag-change.
Itong ginawa ng mga Amerikano to sa atin, hindi to katanggap-tanggap. Ngayon binigyan nila ako ng rason upang magdeklara ng giyera laban sa Estados Unidos.
Fall of Malolos. The Fall of Malolos. Men, come here.
Dami.
I, General MacArthur, want to capture Malolos. Come.
Party people si
Americans
Annie.
did not resolve. As the Americans scattered the land, Aguinaldo moved from one city to another. Even Pedro Patero's negotiation failed because Putin insisted on unconditional surrender. On April 4, 1899,
I will declare American sovereignty in the Philippines.
Sovereign.
Sherman commissioned all the states in the Philippines to be offered autonomy, but
Kailangan ng Pilipinas ay tunay na kalayaan.
Hindi lang ako, si RD din.
his aim was not granted.
Di ba isang
As a result,
Kung makain
he
man
was
yan.
replaced by Pedro Patero as the president of the Philippines cabinet.
Pinagdesisyon namin na papalit sa Polinario Maguire.
Papalitan siya ni Pedro Patero bilang presidente ng gabinete ng kapayapaan. The death of General Antonio Luna. Antonio Luna is a writer, swordsman, doctor of pharmacy, and a great militarist. Because of his gentleman skills in fighting, he enabled Filipinos to win against Americans despite the lacking of advanced war equipment. But on the other side of him, he is short-tempered that he made enemies easily among the ranks.
General Luna, meron po akong telegrama galing kay General Aguinaldo.
Galing kay General Luna. Nais kitang makapili. Pumunta ka dito sa kamaltuan. General Aguinaldo. Kailangan natin pumunta kay General Aguinaldo.
Together with his aide, Francisco Roman, they went to Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. Unfortunately, they missed Aguinaldo there. He just found himself in the
parang
company of
ang
his
hala.
diamond company. The next day,
Go Melchora, kaya mo yan. Melchora, Aquino. Melchora, Lavende. I'm dead. Kay Gino mo naman makita.
the death of Luna,
Tumayo ka.
the death of Luna made a serious blow on the Filipino army. Aguinaldo also lost his ablest soldier. Because of this, the Filipinos suffered defeat. Guerrilla warfare. General Aguinaldo took command after the death of Luna. Together with his cabinet, they transferred the capital to Tarlac, then to Bayambang, Pangasinan.
Kailangan natin ng bagong strategiya. Matatalo tayo. Ngayon, ang ating sandatahan ay paghihiwa-hiwalay natin. Gagamit tayo ng stratehiyang guerrilla upang makipaglaban sa mga Amerikano.
The Filipino patriots excelled in this warfare because they know the terrain of the country. This went on until 1902. The Filipinos easily ambushed their enemies, causing heavy damage to American troops.
I, General MacArthur, declare martial law because, yeah, I declare martial law.
America sent 2 battalions to take control of Muslim Mindanao. There is an agreement that was signed by General Bates and Sultan Hirang II, known as the Bates Treaty, which states the Sulu Sultanate will be defended by the Americans. The death of Gregorio del Pilar. General Gregorio del Pilar was appointed by Aguinaldo to cover his rear.
General, tinatalaga kita.
Bromance.
Upang panunuan ang sandataan, kailangan ko tumakas. Inaasahan kita.
May hawak
Were
factor.
held by Del Pilar's men. Because of this, the Americans retreated to plan another strategy. The capture of Aguinaldo. As Aguinaldo fled from the advancing Americans, he left Bayambang and went to Cagayan Valley, then to Palana and Isabela, where he established the last capital of the First Philippine Republic. Unfortunately, Cecilio Sigismundo, a messenger of Baldomero Aguinaldo, was caught by the Americans.
Cecilio!
Cargo 4 ba yan?
Cecilio, tell us where Aguinaldo is, and you shall be set free.
Hindi niyo ako mapapaamin.
Si Kim eh, yung iba yung tao.
Come on.
Ayoko pang makutan. At masyado pala na
Gano'n ka gano'n?
Huwag niya akong patayin.
Because of this, the Americans had a hint on where Aguinaldo is. They pushed through a plan by pretending to be their reinforcement. They were able to enter Aguinaldo's headquarters easily. With the signal of Tal Placido, the Americans arrested Aguinaldo.
Aguinaldo!
Kailangan ako ng Pilipinas!
Come here. You're going to pledge allegiance to the U.S.
I, Emilio Aguinaldo, pledge allegiance to the government of the United States of America.
After this, Malbar took over the leadership, but in the end, he still surrendered on April 13, 1902. The massacre. Vicente Lucban launched a surprise attack against U.S. soldiers. Pedro Sanchez killed a sentry and fired a rifle as a signal to start the massacre. The native laborers who were Lucban's Bolo men attacked the American soldiers. Few Americans fought back and others managed to escape the American garrison in BC. Captain Book Miller, the commander in BC, sailed immediately for Balangiga. They executed many Filipinos along the way. President Roosevelt ordered the pacification of Filipinos, thus proclaiming kill and burn policy. The result of war. In the end of the war, Americans fought 2,811 recorded battles against the Filipinos and lost 4,234 out of 126,468 American fielded soldiers. They also spent $600 million. On the other hand, Filipinos suffered great losses. Million pesos worth of property was destroyed, and many Filipinos died, including 16 soldiers, and 200,000 Filipinos perished from famine and diseases. In spite of all this, Filipinos did not give up their dream of independence.
Ayaw, tignan niyo.